This is a 2011 Lexus RX 350 Special Edition, one owner. Wait for it. 16,000 original miles. Yes, 16,000 original miles, one senior owner, like new. And when I say like new, it is like new. Just in absolutely phenomenal condition. It is the Special Edition model. Limited edition, I'm sorry. Rear parking sensors, navigation, backup camera, power rear lift gate. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Power lift gate, moonroof. It does have aftermarket premium wheels. Aftermarket wheel guy, but it really looks good on this car. Goodyear tires are in great shape. The videos will not do this vehicle justice, just in crazy condition. It has a bra on a clear bra on the front, so there's literally no rock chips anywhere. One owner, Carfax certified, no accidents, 16,000 original miles. Moonroof. And you think the outside's clean? Wait till you see the inside. Like new. We have all-weather mats for it, original mats. We have both sets of keys. No cracked dash. Navigation. Backup camera. Heated and air-conditioned seats. 16,358 miles. Just wow. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, power seats, memory seats, power lift gate, moonroof. And look at this. Back seats don't even appear to ever been sat in. This is a unicorn. Limited edition. So this is a 2011 Lexus RX 350 limited edition, one owner, 16,000 miles, in like new condition, needs nothing.